So this is Book of Meme, ticker BOME. So we did have a bit of a bounce a couple days ago. This is the 3-day time frame that I'm looking at here. So we have some clear support and resistance areas. Support, which we bounced off of earlier in the week. It was actually about 6 days ago, I guess now. But we bounced here and we came all the way up here, touched this moving average, but then eventually just under this main liquidity block right here, where you can see many times it's been favored. So currently we have not broken out, and that is an important thing to note. Until we do break out, I would not be putting in a long position or a spot position on this. Go down to the daily time frame, and that shows a little more how many times we've consolidated or used this as a support. It hasn't really acted as a resistance as much until now. It is giving us resistance along with the 50-day moving average. And stochastic just crossed over, so mostly we are going to be in a downtrend for, I'd say, the next week. Yeah, 12. Well, maybe actually the next 2 weeks. That seems to be about how long it's taking for the stochastic to play out on the daily with this particular meme coin.